a winter wonderland on Mars. Fall and winter temperatures bring changes to Mars as the carbon dioxide atmosphere turns to dry ice frost that clings to the surface. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter used its powerful cameras and spectrometers to capture detailed pictures and measurements of wintry scenes of nature's beauty at work on the red planet. Patchy frosted dunes. Frosted crescent-shaped dunes in the Martian North Pole are dotted with bare patches of sand where warming springtime temperatures have vaporized the frost. A pine tree farm on Mars. The triangular spots that look like lines of pine trees are just some of the complex patterns created when winter turns to spring and Mars carbon dioxide frost begins to vaporize and reveal the ground below. Growing frost in late fall. In the colder temperatures of late fall, carbon dioxide in the Martian atmosphere condenses into ice and settles on the Martian surface for a long winter's nap. With spring and summer warmth, the frost will vaporize again to rejoin Mars' tenuous atmosphere. Summers at the South Pole. It stays cold enough to maintain permanent year-round ice near Mars' South Pole. The defrosting walls of flat fluid pits stand in stark contrast against the carbon dioxide ice, the smallest of the pits, at center are stadium size. Going Reconnaissance crater dunes. In fall and winter, frost coats the dunes inside 34-mile diameter Reconnaissance crater in the South Polar region of Mars. Dark streaks and spots are areas that are thawing out. The seasonal ice eventually gives way to reveal the sand beneath. Frost-slickened slopes. Undulating dunes in the southern hemisphere's Onitero are monitored for changes such as gullies, which form over the winter from the action of carbon dioxide frost. Frost was just starting to accumulate on south-facing slopes when this late fall picture was taken. Frosted gully landforms. The long streaks that stripe the walls of this crater are gullies in the Martian winter. Frost can build up in the gullies, especially on the cold slopes that face the pole. These gullies are active. Frost caused the gully activity in summer's yet unknown way. Fans of sand on ice. Ice-covered dunes crack in warmer springtime temperatures and allow sand beneath to blow into fan-shaped deposits on top of the ice. When the ice cracks at the crest of a dune, the sand sometimes slides down, leaving dark traces in the dune walls. Winter gullies. The long streaks at the lower left of this image are the typical of gullies that form in the fall and winter when carbon dioxide frost is settled on the surface. These observations of areas with these gullies are allowing scientists to probe why gullies form and how they shape the Martian surface. Ribbony layers at the North Pole. Looking like holiday ribbon candy, layers of dusty water ice deposits at the Martian North Pole are several miles thick. Frost on the wall of a trough that cuts into these deposits highlights individual layers.